Hi everybody, I'm Bitch Puddin, winner of Dragula Season 2, and you're here to watch my spring bearded look. Step 1 is to glue down them brows. I have really thick German ones, but they gotta go. Next step, you gotta shave. Get rid of the beard so we can put on a new one. Now we're gonna prime the face. And now we're gonna use a liquid lip to color correct God's mistakes. Now we're gonna put that house paint on and we're gonna get an even skin tone. And now we're gonna cream highlight to bring out our natural, beautiful features or create new ones. And now we're gonna use a super pigmented pigment on our eyes. And now we're gonna pop on this highlight. And now we're gonna pop on these lashes. Boop, boop. And now we're gonna bring out that highlight by using Slayfire Cosmetics biodegradable glitter in my shade, Bitchin'. Now we're gonna use mascara. And now we're gonna use a combination of a pink and an orange to make a beautiful lip. First up, you're gonna take some adhesive to pop on the beard. And then you're gonna accessorize it with some fun flowers that you can find wherever. So my advice for this look is to make sure that your eyes are really pigmented because you're losing real estate on the lower half of your face. My favorite part of creating this look was finally growing a beard because I've never been able to have one.